Remove the AVF1 viewfinder and attach the AWT3 walk tester using the multi-pin connector. Please note the orientation of the connector. After it's attached, set the AWT3 connection select switch to REDWALL 5. Then set the mode select switch to far, near, or creep zone, depending on the sensor area being calibrated. Change all sensitivity switches to SH and set the logic switch to OR to confirm the edge of the detection area. On the AWT3, move the cell battery switch to power supply from sensor. Then, make sure the area in front of the SIP is clear. A steady, constant tone should be heard from the AWT3. Make sure there is no variation in tone. If there's no variation in tone, check each far, near, and creep zone, if applicable, for a steady tone. You will hear this steady tone if the detection area is clear from any obstacles. If the tone changes, check for any possible causes that might have created false alarms in the area. For example, moving vegetation, people, or animals. First, switch Mode Select to Far Zone. Then, walk across in the far zone and confirm that the edge of the detection area is set as required. This is the tone of the AWT3 you will hear as you walk across the detection zone. You will notice that before entering or leaving the far zone detection area, the tone changes. Once this is done, change the mode select to near zone. Lastly, repeat the previous far zone steps for the near zone walk test. In most cases, the sensitivity switch should be set to M and the logic switch set to AND. However, it depends on the application. Sensitivity. When performing the walk test, set sensitivity to SH. When the installation height is 7.6 feet, change the switch to M after the walk test. If M is too sensitive, select the L setting. If the SIP is installed at 13 feet, sensitivity for near and far may need to be changed to H. Logic. The detection logic selection is determined as follows. OR means that the object is detected in either pattern. AND means that the object is detected in both patterns. For most applications, set the AND mode. If it is needed to avoid an unwanted detection, you can use the OR mode, but the spot temperature change might be the cause of a false alarm. Please note that the factory default is always set at OR for the majority of installations. However, OPTEX highly recommends the AND mode to minimize false alarms. To complete the final assembly, remove the AWT3, reinstall the main cover, and tighten the 2 screws. As a last check, make sure the creep zone, horizontal, and vertical screws are also tightened.